Take a look. This Phantom wallet holds $1.76 million, all from launching meme coins while everyone else was buying them. No hype, no pump chasing, just strategy that scales. Stick around, I'm breaking down the exact method I used to build it. I used to live on DexScreener and on Memescope, chasing candles, trying to time entries, hoping a coin would moon when I bought in. But every single time, I got completely dumped on. Then it clicked. The people actually making money aren't buyers, they're launchers. When you launch, you control the story. You decide the name, the supply, the timing, everything. By launching coins, you have nothing to lose. You create the asset and you hold the leverage to just dump later. But if you are still stuck trading meme coins, you will lose. Bitcoin is at an all-time high and Solana is pumping. This is the best possible time to launch. By the way, this video is for educational purposes only. Do not copy me, ka! The problem with launching coins on Pump.Fun? You don't control anything. You launch a coin, but the liquidity isn't yours. The coin isn't live until someone else buys in. And you're stuck inside a bonding curve that limits growth. That's why I switched to create tokens.fun now. It launches your coin directly onto Raydium, so it's live, tradable, and visible from second one. You manage the supply, you own the liquidity, you control everything, including the profits. If you are serious about launching coins that move, this is the only platform to use. When you're ready to launch on createtokens.fun, you've got two solid choices. First method, build a coin from scratch. Pick a trend. Anything from a viral meme to a breaking news moment. Go on X to find good narratives. Add your token name, symbol, and upload an image. Click next and you are ready to launch. Second method is the one that I use the most and see the best results from. Go to the Copy Trending Coins tab. It pulls in high performing tokens from Pump.Fun that are already getting volume live. Click the launch and your coin goes live instantly onto Raydium. And since it's launching on Raydium, you get more buyers, higher visibility, and stronger profit potential right out the gate. If you are after fast flips and day one momentum, method 2 is the clear winner. Anyways, let's stop guessing and let's launch a coin and make some juicy money. So first of all, connect your wallet, then I'm gonna refresh the list. Okay, I think I'm gonna copy the golded coin. Why? It has 500 replies, $21,000 in market cap, and allows buy 13 seconds ago. Create coin, your Phantom wallet should pop up. Oh my god. Then click, oh yeah, you will get a warning. It's completely normal, just proceed anyway, confirm, understand, confirm. And then the coin should be created, just wait. And boom, if I go on SoScan, you guys will see that it's officially minted on chain, so it's real. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is pretty simple. Basically, we're going to make our coin tradable for the blockchain for people to buy in, and it's going to show up right here on Memescope in the graduate section. Now here, select your coin, token B, your buy-in should be auto selected. Amount token A, click on 90%. That's going to drop 900 million tokens into the pool. For the amount token B, this is the first initial buy inside your own coin, and yes, you are the first buyer. You are not losing this money since you will be the first buyer and you will get it back later after you remove the liquidity. Now I'm gonna do 0.4 Sol. You can do anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana, but yeah, I would highly recommend 0.4 Sol. And now click on create pool. Your Phantom wallet should pop up right here. And yes, oh yeah, and then click on confirm. After that, you can simply refresh right here right here. And if you scroll down, yes sir, the golded coin is now live on the blockchain. Now for P&L, we are up $0. But if you click on refresh, now we're up $210 on the coin, which has been like around 5 seconds. Click on view on photon to see the chart, and now it's live. Just give it a sec for it to load, okay? It's really delayed. Yeah, just wait, just give it some time. Okay, yeah, we're getting buys. This should be around $200 now. We're at a $1.6 thousand market cap. Now, I'm gonna give this coin around 5 to 10 minutes. I will do a quick time lapse for you guys. I will be right back, so just enjoy the fucking show. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. It looks like we're at a $3.5 thousand market cap within like 2 to 3 minutes, $1.7 thousand in liquidity, and almost $3,000 in volume. Now the cash out profits, come back to create tokens.fun, and then click on refresh. And now our profits are at $1.8 thousand, which is not bad. Now click on the minus button, and here you can choose the percentage that you want to remove. I'm going to do 100%, fuck it, remove the liquidity, the phantom wallet should pop up. And then click on confirm. And just like that, we just removed the complete liquidity. If I open my phantom wallet, that's $1.9 thousand straight inside my wallet.